Congratulations on purchasing a new vehicle. Bringing home your new ride is exciting, but vehicle ownership is not risk-free. Today's vehicles are more complex than ever. The technology age has transformed modern vehicles, which on average have between 25 and 50 computers controlling a broad array of functions. With all of this complexity, failures are a genuine risk. A repair bill that suddenly occurs could break your monthly budget or empty your bank account. Account for the unexpected burden of repair cost by preparing for them ahead of time. Preferred Care coverage is a vehicle service contract program with a broad range of coverages. A Preferred Care service contract can take most of the risk of ownership away and provides you with peace of mind and a worry-free driving experience. In addition to breakdown protection, the plan provides you 24-hour roadside assistance, covering towing, battery service, flat tire change, lockout service, as well as fluids delivery. It also includes substitute transportation reimbursement. Additionally, trip interruption protection is provided for when you are more than 100 miles from your home. Protect your new vehicle and your budget with the Preferred Care Vehicle Service Contract.